Hey, welcome to TFG. I'm so excited about this video. I'm doing something that is new for me and doing it for the first time. I'm Jack and back with unboxing video. Yes, I just bought Realme GT 5G mobile. Let's start unboxing. It's opening. I don't need it, so let's throw it. I don't need that either. Put it aside. It's a bill. Who needs a bill? Oh, check this out. Realme GT 5G is so shiny because of the plastic wrapping. Let me remove the plastic. Box looks attractive with matte finish. So this cost me around $600 and this mobile is the cheapest flagship there is. It comes with flagship Snapdragon 888, 65-watt supercharged 120Hz Super AMOLED full screen display and Sony 64MP triple camera. Let's open the box. Why it's not opening? Why? Oh, I forgot there is this seal. Man, these boxes are hard to open. Finally, a great story since the first lip. It's a pin for SIM slot. I hear something. Is there something inside it? This one is an OTG USB cable. It's time for the big guy to come out. This one is 12 GB of RAM and 256 of storage and a racing yellow color. There it is, a 65-watt supercharger. It can charge your phone from 0 to 100 within 35 minutes. Is there something else inside? No, I don't think so. That's it. I expected more. There are no extra stuff, just the phone and charger. Yeah, it looks like a racing car with stripes. Let's turn it on. The display feels awesome. Let me set it up. The fingerprint is on display. The response is quite good. Now let's check out about phone. RAM is 12 GB plus you can extend it to max 19 GB. About the gaming performance, GPU is Adreno 660 which is flagship. My next video and gameplays will be from this phone, and from that you will get the general idea. In the end, the phone is awesome as per the price range. There is just one little thing, battery, which is 4500 mAh, and for gamers that's not enough. So that's it guys, this is my first unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe I will make another detailed video, I don't know, we will see how it goes. Give a video a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.